Hey babies, welcome to Donna's Spot with me, Donna. Today I received from Try It Sampling this flat pack collapsible sink, 8 liters. It's a sink that you would use when you're camping, and it's like this. I ordered it to wash my dishes in because I'm having problems with the kitchen sink, and the landlord is being a butt about doing stuff. So I ordered this to put my dishes in, to clean my dishes, and as soon as I use it, more than likely tomorrow, I'll be back on here to tell you what I think about it. But I like the fact that it's a small compact thing where I can just fold it back down and I can fold it down and store it. I know it's not all the way back down. I gotta figure out. There you go. That's the proper way of doing it. So there's your collapsible sink. And like I said, I'll be using it tomorrow, and I'll let you know what I think about it. So until next time, I'll see you later.